Hi everyone! As always, most of my projects are experiments, and this one appears to be working. So I'm just using a drill bit, going through a bulletin board material, and installing mini lights. Check your mini lights before you drill all your holes, because this first one is thicker than the rest. So new drill bit of choice works. So now what I'm doing is wiring each tree kind of horizontally rather than finishing them all to ensure that the lights can reach each tree. It's taking a little while, but I'm loving the outcome. Looks like a light bright tree. It's going to be perfect on my darker mantle.